Foot for foot, grass uses more water in your landscape than any other plant. Grass can take up to 60 inches of water a year to irrigate. While grass is great for activities, most of us have lawns that we don't really use or need. To save water and to get a landscape you'll love, there's a rebate of $3 a square foot when you replace this with sustainable landscaping. Let's take a look. The rebate requires that you plant 3 plants per 100 square feet. Think 3 plants in a 10 by 10 room. It also requires that you capture rainwater and upgrade your irrigation system to water efficiently. Finally, it requires that you use mulch to reduce evaporation and total water use in your new landscape. The rebate is only for converted areas, so it does not count grass that you convert to hardscape or artificial turf. If you have an unused lawn and want to upgrade your landscaping, this is a great program for you. For more info, please go to SoCalWatersmart.com.